This is cool. The best-selling vehicles in the world by country. It's an infographic map, which is one of my favorite things to go over. But also, of course, cars and car popularity is something I'm interested in. And so you can see here, depending on where you live, which car dominates. And we'll start over on the left-hand side. North America is no surprise.
Wait, can I zoom in here?
I feel like you're zoomed. You want to zoom even more? I feel like you're zoomed good enough.
I think we're good.
Yeah,
We
you're
can
good.
move from like country to country or continent to continent.
Why don't we?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. Why don't we?
Let's start with Americas.
You know what's interesting? In the Americas here, in the States, it says F-150. And in Canada, it just says F-Series. They don't break it out by
right.
which F-Series, which is interesting. But it is the F-150 as well. So, yes, if we're talking about one individual badge, not like a series of cars, F-150 is hugely dominant in North America. You already know it. You just got to drive around a little bit. You drive around a little bit, you see a lot of it. No surprise. Mexico, the Nissan Versa. Wow. And look at that. In Panama, the Toyota Hilux, I think. This truck is famous on YouTube right now for being like this is what you should get, Will. A used Toyota. This is like the truck you cannot destroy. Did you know about this truck?
No.
Actually, I don't even think you can get it, not easily. But by the way, I'm talking about the old one, that one.
This one?
No, the 1989. I know you like the new one. It is cool. But the 1989, the red one there, apparently this thing is indestructible. Did you see this guy's channel?
No.
He tries to break it. He tries to beat the hell out of it. And it just keeps on going. It's so reliable and not overly complicated. You gotta check out the guy's channel. I don't know. I feel like I gotta.
That guy's,
I feel like I gotta shout him out now because, you know what I mean. I have to shout the guy out, right?
sure.
Whistle and Diesel, right? Is that the one? Killing. Oh, did Top Gear do that series as well? It looks like they did. There you go. This guy. I feel like so Top Gear tried to beat up this truck, and then what's the name of this channel, Will?
Whistle and Diesel.
I was right. Whistle and Diesel. And so in this video, you'll see.
Oh, is this the guy who was just driving this car on like speed, like bumps?
Trying to kill
on
it.
the road
Trying to kill it.
or on the field? Yeah,
Dude,
I think I saw this.
full blast, rattling around. It's not this video. This is he's just telling you he bought it, I think. And
this
then
isn't
the follow-up video series of videos is him trying to kill it. The world's most indestructible truck.
Is it this one?
Yeah, durability test. It's nuts.
Right. Yeah, I saw this one.
It's nuts, man.
Oh, yeah.
Just running into things and look at this. Bang. Anyway, go check out this guy's channel. We don't need to show the whole thing, but yes, incredibly durable Toyota truck. And somehow the number one best-selling truck in probably the new one in Panama. We can go down through a little bit here through South America. You see the Chevrolet Onix in Brazil. The Toyota truck in Argentina is there as well. Wow, they dominate down there with that truck. And we move across the world. In China, the VW Levita. I didn't know. I'm surprised by that. That it's a VW dominating in China. Kazakhstan's got the Toyota Camry. You can see the Hyundai Accent there in, where am I?
Oh, another
Saudi Arabia?
lover of the Hilux in Australia.
Australia. Will, I got your attention here, dude. Look at the southern part of Africa. In South Africa, Namibia, you got the Toyota down there too.
Oh, yeah.
And Kenya. Holy cow, we just bought Will a new truck. We're just going to have to import it. That's all.
I like the fact that it's all different. There isn't really like one brand that like dominates all.
No, not at all.
Maybe
Absolutely
except for
not.
Ford in the Americas, but or North America.
Yeah,
But
you
yeah,
have
it's very distributed.
you have some other interesting ones like Volvo, of course, over there in Sweden. And
Yeah.
which one wins in Germany? That's another interesting. Germany is VW Golf, right? By the looks of it. You need to look at the. Yeah, that's Germany, no?
Where?
Infograph. Yeah, VW Golf.
Oh.
And what do we have in the UK? Wow, in the United Kingdom, it's a Ford Fiesta. Oh, look, Tesla won in Norway and the Netherlands. The number one selling car, the Tesla Model 3 in Norway and the Netherlands. Interesting findings. Another opportunity to go check out a cool post if you're curious yourself.